More people feel lonely than ever before. Group trips aren't for everyone. But that doesn't mean your travel dreams have to die. Meet Atithi, a simple way to discover journeys inspired by who you are. Answer a few questions. Atithi understands your travel persona and reveals 3 journeys designed to match it. Explore each journey through small interactive experiences. Choose the one that feels right and see your personalised itinerary delivered to your inbox. Don't break the momentum. It's time to travel in your own way.